have here the Puto, Pulo, and Tutsinta, and the Mabocatoy. And in terms of the tourist attractions, they have here the Marikina River Park and the Shoe Museum. The next one we have here is San Juan. Geographically, San Juan, formerly known as San Juan del Monte, is a landlocked city within the Metro Manila. It is geographically small but holds significant cultural and historical prominence. San Juan is located in the approximate center of Metro Manila. In terms of size, the city has a land area of approximately 5.95 square kilometers and 2.30 square miles. And in population, as determined by the 2020 census, San Juan's population was 126 and 347,000 residents. This represented approximately 0.94% of the total population of NCR. And in terms of their food and delicacies, they have here the arroz caldo and the black bean chicken in pot. And in tourist attractions, they also have here the NHC Museo El Deposito and the Fundación Sans.
Muntinlupa. Geography and location. Muntinlupa is a landlocked city, meaning those not have direct access to the sea or any major bodies of water. The city is situated in the southernmost part of Metro Manila within the NCR. It lies near Laguna de Bay, the largest lake in the Philippines. Size: Muntinlupa City has a total land area of approximately 39.75 square kilometers, and population as determined by the 2020 census. Muntinlupa population was 543 and 445 residents. This population represents 4.03% of the total population of NCR. Navotas. Geography and location. Navotas is situated at the mouth of Tulahan River, in the northwest part of Metro Manila. The city is coastal bordered by Manila Bay to the west, which connect Navotas Islands located within the city to the rest of Navotas in the south of the city of Malabon in the east. And size: Navotas City has a total land area of approximately 8.24 square kilometers of 3.45 square miles. Population, as determined by the 2026 census, Navotas had a population of 147 and 143 residents. This population represents 1.84% of the total population of NCR.
Navotas. Geography and location. Navotas is located at the mouth of the Tulahan River Delta in the northwest part of the Metro Manila. River Delta is the city of the coastal bordered by the Manila Bay to the west. Bridge connected Navotas Island located within the city to the rest of Navotas in the south and to the city of Malabon in the east. Navotas City has a total land area of approximately 8.94%, square kilometers or 3.45 square miles. As determined by the 2020 census, Nabonas had a population of 7,543 residents. This population represents 1.84% of the total population of NCR.
Paranaque. Geography and location. Paranaque City is a coastal and highly urbanized city in the National Capital Region. Paranaque is situated on the southeastern shore of Manila. It is a coastal city bordered by the bay to the west. Size. The city covers a land area of approximately 46.57 square kilometers or 17.98 square miles. Population as determined by the 2020 census. Paranaque's population was 689,992 residents. This population